Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever been building a visual in Power BI and wondered, how can I add both category and subcategory to the x-axis of my bar chart and actually see them both, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through step by step how to layer your category fields in the x-axis and make the most of Power BI's drill features. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to organize your bar charts or any similar visuals so your insights instantly become clearer and more useful. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to have your visual set up. It can be a bar chart or any visual that lets you configure an x-axis. Bar charts are a popular choice since they make comparing categories super easy. Now start by dragging in the fields you want. For our example, let's use category, region, sales amount, and subcategory. You want to add these fields in a way that aligns with your analysis. Usually, category and subcategory are the most natural candidates for your x-axis since they help break down the data into clear logical layers. This is so helpful if, for example, you're tracking sales data, maybe you have a category for electronics, furniture, and so on, with subcategories like laptops, chairs, and so forth underneath. Add both category and subcategory to your x-axis setup. Here's a really important part. Always make sure you're stacking them in your field well in the right order, category first, then subcategory. Think of it like organizing folders and files on your computer. The main folder is your category, and inside you have subcategories as smaller folders. If you don't get this order right, you might not see the breakdown you expect on your chart. Now here's something a lot of people run into. When both category and subcategory are in your x-axis, you sometimes can only see subcategory labels showing up by default. It's a bit confusing. You did all the setup, but only half the info shows on your visual. Don't worry if this happens, it's Power BI working as intended, not a mistake you made. This is where the drill feature comes in. Look above your chart for a set of drill icons. They look kind of like little pitchforks or arrows. Start by clicking the drill down button. This lets you move between the different hierarchical levels you built in your x-axis, toggling from summary level like categories down to individual subcategories. After drilling down, if you want to move back up the levels to view the main categories instead, just click the drill up button. You can keep moving up and down this way to toggle your visual's focus. It's sort of like zooming in and out on a map. You get to choose whether you want the big picture or the finer details. When you reach the lowest level with all the drilling, so you're as far in as it'll go, you'll see your subcategory level breakdown. Give Power BI a moment. Sometimes it takes a few seconds to redraw the visual, especially if you have a lot of data. And that's it. By adding both category and subcategory to your x-axis and using drilling, you can easily explore sales or any data at multiple levels. This technique turns a basic chart into a powerful analysis tool, perfect for presentations or deeper dives. If you found this walkthrough helpful, hit that like button, it really helps the channel. Have any questions about Power BI visuals or want to see more detailed breakdowns? Drop a comment below, I love helping out. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.